The reason why we are here in Barangay Gaya-Gaya, San Jose del Monte, is to formally introduce our product. It's the pure prepaid fiber internet to the home, powered by Converge, in which our target market is really for those households na wala pang internet. Ito yung nasa Class D segment. Ito yung gumagamit lang ng mobile na kung saan yung connectivity sometimes bumibitaw, and that is the reason why our company provided this internet service na kung saan it's pure fiber connectivity.
Kitang-kita natin yung galak na nararamdaman talaga na kasi first time nga niyang mapili.
God bless po talaga sa kanila. Hindi ko man po ini-expect pero dumating po.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Surf to Sawa at nabigyan po kami ng internet para po sa mga anak ko.
Mura, unlimited, at walang